Ford made a big decision with the return of the Bronco SUV. It is an iconic model, not only because of the OJ. This model was on the road for 3 decades, from 1966 to 1996. It made a comeback in 2021 as a completely new model. Now, the 2024 Ford Bronco is on the way, and this model will provide the first mild upgrades. The redesign is still far away, but mid-cycle improvements will significantly refresh the Bronco's appearance. You can still choose between a 2-door and 4-door setup, and the Bronco also provides numerous trim levels. With 3 engine options, the Bronco is a serious off-roader, especially its Raptor variant. The goal is to rival the Jeep Wrangler, so we can't wait to see what the future holds for both models. The 2024 Ford Bronco provides more than a modern and comfortable interior. The dashboard is simple, but it looks upright. Although it has a tough appearance, the materials are above average, and the build quality is excellent. Additionally, this Bronco has a large number of tech and convenience amenities that make it cozy and simple to live with. Tech-wise, the Bronco SUV offers a standard 8-inch display. Moreover, the infotainment system supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Blue Oval provides a Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth, remote keyless entry, and push-button start. Choose one of the upper trim levels, and you will get a larger 12-inch touchscreen, a 12-inch digital gauge cluster, and 2-zone automatic climate control. In terms of updates, the Broncos should provide a minor or mild refresh. Many sources indicate that the 2024 Ford Bronco is going to undergo a mid-cycle facelift, as we just indicated. We assume that the emphasis in this upgrade will be on aesthetics. Though we don't think any significant changes could be made, the new model would have a few styling improvements. Moreover, Blue Oval could add a new appearance package or new exterior colors. Under the skin, no changes will be made, per the source. This SUV is made for serious off-roading, therefore, it comes with a more robust appearance. We don't know how serious the upgrades will be, but Ford should deliver a surprise or two, including new optional wheels. The 2.7-liter V6 engine is optional, producing up to 325 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque. Naturally, with additional power, fuel economy is slightly lower, at 19 meters PG in the city. Lastly, the Ford Bronco Raptor is the most potent variant. It is a famous trim level in Ford's lineup of SUVs and trucks. This version is powered by a 3-liter V6 engine and generates over 400 ponies. In terms of price, the new 2024 Ford Bronco will cost $33,000 or slightly above that. Again, we are waiting to see how serious the upgrades are, which will largely determine the SUV's starting price. The sales will begin later in 2023, most likely around October.